Riding roads, don't nobody go down. Little trip through the countryside. 38's making the world go round. I hit a curve just to make you slide. Only light is a passion yellow. Only thing that I want is your kiss. Love ain't nothing to do with you, baby. Just riding roads on a night like this. Hey everybody, this is Blaze with Blaze Guitar Lessons, and today I want to teach you how to play Ridin Roads by Dustin Lynch on the guitar. So let's get right into it. It's really a super easy song. It's great for the beginners out there, and it's just a fun one to play. So standard tuning, put the capo on the 3rd fret, and then we're going to use 3 chords the entire time, all straight through, no changing of the order. So it's an awesome song to do. So let's get right into it. So the first is going to be E-7. This is probably the easiest chord you'll ever play because it's one finger on one string on 1 fret. So you're going to go with, I put my pointer finger, and the reason I suggest that is you'll see in just a second. But I put my pointer finger, okay, on the 2nd fret, right there, on the A string, okay, and the rest of it's just open. That's a super easy one, okay. So you can strum the whole thing. Then the reason you're going to put that one there is because you're going to go into a G chord next every single time. So you're going to put that finger there, and then these 2 fingers down into a G. Okay, so it's. I kind of like lift it, but you don't have to. I just because I'm used to doing chords like that. But so it goes E-7, G, and again the pointer finger stays there. So then next you go to C-9. All right, so C-9. You're going to lift up your pinky, and you're going to move those 2 fingers from the top, like that, down one set of strings. So instead of being on E and A, they're going to be on A and D, right? And then you're going to leave your ring finger on the 3rd fret on the B string. Okay, so it goes like this. And then you're going to go back to G. And it's that order the entire time. All right, so let's get this started. So as you can see, I started with the chorus. Let's start with the verse, just the actual intro. So the intro is just, you're going to play the intro louder too. See that strumming down? So I go down, down, up, up. So down, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down. Then you switch to G. Just like that. Down, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down. Okay? And then you're going to kind of like wait for a second. But that's when you're switching. Down, down, up, down. All right. Then, and honestly, you don't have to play it like that. If you're struggling with strumming and you're brand new at guitar, you can just play. And it's going to be that same strumming the whole time. So it could be down, 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 down. All right. So you can do it like that. I think it sounds better, and it'll help you get better if you can strum up and down, right? But that's how it goes. So then when you start, you're going to play this when he goes. So E-7 when he goes, yeah. All right, so it's, yeah, and then it goes to G. This town ain't got no nightclubs. And then, so, this town ain't got no nightclubs. C-9. We don't need the neon lights. Girl, I got that 87 gassed up, 30 early out there in your drive. See that? So E minor, and then G. This town ain't got no nightclubs. C-9. We don't need the neon G lights. Okay, I know I'm getting kind of repetitive with it, but I just really want to help you see how to go with it. And then you can just do those single strums the whole time. So it's, you're going to hold it longer after you do the 2nd strum each time. Then C-9. Okay, so then when you go into the chorus. And remember, it's the same exact like strumming and chords, but I just think it sounds better if it's louder. And this is especially where it'll come in handy if you do the strumming pattern that I was showing in the beginning, okay? Where it's down, up, down. If you're just doing, you can do that, but I would recommend playing it, at least learning how to strum it the other way, okay? So then you're gonna go, riding roads that don't nobody go down, little trip through the countryside. So it's E-7 is riding roads, and then after roads you go to G. Don't nobody go down. Then when you go to little trip, you go to C-9. Little trip through the G countryside. So it's a little trip through the G. All right. That to me, the little things like that help me remember where to change chords and stuff. So it's and then it's these 38s goes back to E minor 7. These 38s making the world go round. So you see how I switched there? These 38s E minor 7. These 38s G making the world go round. And then you go to Cadd9. I hit a curve just to, after curve you go to G. Make you slide, and then after slide back to E minor 7. Only light is a G, passion yellow, Cadd9. Only thing that I G, want a short kiss, E minor 7. I'm loving nothing to do. So to do is G. To do with you, baby, Cadd9. Just riding roads on a night like, so on a night, on a G, on a night like this. Riding roads, just riding roads on a night like this. So at the end, like the post-chorus, you're gonna do, so you're gonna be strumming down. Remember, it's the same strumming pattern. Okay, but you're just going to be playing it louder for the chorus and the post-chorus than you do for the verses and the intro. Well, the intro is going to be loud too. Okay, so let's see here. It is, so it's, you go down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Okay, down, down, up, down. Riding roads. Oh, sorry, it's. So the post-chorus is where he says, riding roads. All right, remember that? Then he does that twice, I believe, or maybe he just does it once. Listen to the song and make sure. And then you go back into the verses. Okay? That's the whole song. And the bridge is no different or anything. The bridge, he just plays it softer again. But in all the verses, that's how you play it. You just play it softer. So instead of you can just do single strums during those verses. Okay, so let me know if you have any questions, and I'll be sure to help you out with them as much as best I can. And please like and subscribe to this video so you can get notified when I come out with new ones. Thanks, guys.